A Deltona woman, Elisa Lee Montalvo, appeared before a Volusia County judge today, and she is accused in the deadly hit-and-run crash last year that ended up killing 3 people.
WESH News' Luana Munoz explains what happened in court as prosecutors had mounting evidence against her.
Well, prosecutors argued for a pre-trial detention to keep Elisa Montalvo behind bars leading up to trial. Montalvo's attorney argued that she was not a flight risk, but ultimately the judge sided with the state, saying that she needed to stay behind bars and giving her no bond. 47-year-old Elisa Montalvo appeared before a judge Friday in Volusia County. Prosecutors presented what they say is compelling evidence, arguing Montalvo caused a crash that killed 3 people in October last year, then allegedly tried to cover it up 3 days after the crash.
She changes the doors, cuts the airbag out, and otherwise tried to mask the damage to the driver's side of that car.
Montalvo's attorney argued there was conflicting witness testimony about which car caused the crash after FHP arrested another woman, Lindsay Isaacs. It wasn't until early May that charges against Isaacs were dropped. Montalvo was arrested just last week.
Let's not forget that we started off this case with a completely different suspect who was arrested and charged with these same exact crimes just a month before.
The judge said there was no doubt Montalvo was involved in the crash, citing the event data recorder in her vehicle.
There is compelling physical evidence to corroborate Ms. Montalvo's actions in this case, including the event data recorder that has her at 112 miles per hour and 3, 2, and 1 seconds before the crash become very relevant.
Based on witness reports of a black Durango, Florida Highway Patrol initially charged Isaacs. The crash caused a chain reaction, killing a motorcyclist and the driver and passenger of a Honda Pilot. But FHP said new evidence turned their attention to Montalvo, who was driving a maroon Durango.
On the 911 call, described this red maroon Durango traveling like a mad person. Initially was very concerned that it was going to cause a crash.
Montalvo's family also spoke briefly in court.
Does Ms. Montalvo have any children?
Yes.
How many children does she have?
3.
Isaacs, who was also in court along with her attorney, says seeing Montalvo was difficult.
It's a lot to process. I'm happy the person that did it is finally getting what the family deserves and what she deserves. But for me, it's a lot right now.
Covering Volusia County, Luana Munoz, WESH 2 News.